Hello and welcome to Do-It-Yourself Speakers. My name is Brian Diaz and I am my brother's keeper peer advocate with LA County Library. In this program, I'll be teaching you how to up your bass and sound on your phone. With just a few materials you might have laying around home, you can create your very own do-it-yourself speaker. Let's not waste any more time and make your favorite song reach higher sounds. You will need the following materials: a paper roll, tape, 2 paper or plastic cups, and scissors. First, we grab our paper roll and cover it with 2 layers of tape. This is to make the paper roll sturdy, as it would be our base to hold the phone. Once we have that covered, use your phone as a guide to cut a tab onto the paper roll so that your device may go in it. Once you have your measurements, carefully start cutting the sketch you made for your phone. Next, use the paper roll to measure a hole to fit through the paper cup, like this. Then do the same on the other cup. Place one end of the paper roll into the paper cup. Be sure to only go about halfway into the paper cup. If there's a big gap in the opening of the paper cup, be sure to tape it closed. Now that you have one side completed, be sure to repeat the same step on the other side of the paper roll. We are nearly there. All that there is left to do is insert the phone into the open tab of the paper roll. Play your favorite music and jam out. Now, for the best sound quality, be sure to put your phone only about halfway into the tab. If the tab is too big and it falls to the bottom, add extra tape on the side to make the tab narrower. Did you know that you can download and stream free music? Well, you're in luck. Frigo is a free downloadable music service you can get at lacountylibrary.org. All you need is your library card number and a PIN number. Frigo offers access to over 3 million songs, including Sony's music catalog of legendary artists and so much more. Just go to lacountylibrary.org and click on the Digital Library tab, then go to the Explore column on your left. In the bottom of that column, you will find LA County Library's online resources. Click on Frigo and stream to your heart's content. We hope you have enjoyed our Do-It-Yourself Speaker program. Click the link in the description box for upcoming programs and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for easy access to new videos. Bye for now.